It's Monday and that's not garbage day over here. We got like an exhaust system and a snow thrower. Should I give it a whirl? See if there's gas in it. Wow, that's on there twice. Oh, it's full of fuel. We give it a whirl. Ram that bad boy. See what happens. Lord only knows. Doesn't seem like it's got a tremendous amount of compression. So, knowing these things, it's probably, the motor's probably shot. People commenting, you should take the gas and put it in your truck. Hear sirens. The more sirens, the more Democrats. Boy, that really aggravates people when you say that. In Democrat-controlled areas, you hear more sirens. So I'll have people on my channel saying, you should take the gas out of that snow thrower and put it in your... Yeah, okay. Not happening. Also, they must have got a new car and replaced the other one. Anyway, here's this old van that they're giving me, I guess. For a scrapping vehicle, and it's got a semi-digital dash, so I can't tell how many miles are on it. But like Bert Horton, well, that back door is locked, or what? Oh, okay, there we go. He's like saying you should get a lighter vehicle. Well, he's got a Nissan, like a Nissan hardbody, one of the older pickups. You know, on those days when you're not finding a lot of scrap, save a lot of fuel. Yeah, you take down the seats in this thing, and you could definitely get a big side-by-side refrigerator in here, and a few other items. Or, you know, if you're finding like small bits and stuff like that, and that's all that's out there, I mean, the carpet's already trashed anyway. It's a bit rusty and banged up, but hey, it's a Chevy, so that's all I really care about. I don't know. Why not, right? I mean, oh, look at the tranny fluid. Oh, wait a minute, that's from the power steering. Still hear sirens in the back. Well, I hear dogs too. Every house I go to, dogs. Yes, I guess the power steering hose and this thing ruptured. I'll have to. What size engine is this? Maybe I'll stop the video and see if I'll look at the stickers on here. And I'll see an engine label on here to see what size motor this is. If it's a 3 liter or a 3.1. Like what my daughter has, she's got a 3.1 in her Monte Carlo. Might be the same motor. Tires don't look too bad. Brakes look like they're, brake pads look like they're new. So, you know, some key essentials are okay. You know, I probably won't be in it for, you know, won't be in it for, you know, a gazillion dollars off the bat, you know what I mean? Get about 20,000, 20 or 30,000 free miles out of it before I gotta put any money into it. Hey, this old Ford's been like this for about 4 weeks, and the government hasn't put any stickers on it up on a jack. I'm gonna go by on the next block over here because the people were gonna give me a basketball hoop, and I tipped it over outside. It was about 27 below, and I didn't do anything with it. I had the battery powered Sawzall, but I didn't use it. It was just too cold. Plus the base was a solid frozen rock. So maybe I'll come by today and use that Sawzall that I got from Cruiser Mac. This hoop is still here. What the hell is this thing? Oh, nope. I guess. Oh, wait a minute. Wrong house. Yeah, no, it's still there. See, that's the problem with the cookie cutter houses. Okay, so they're giving me this this hoop right here, but of course I'd have to ring the bell again. I gotta cut it up. You know, it's like this is too bulky. Oh, wait, whoa. Rehab stuff. Tried to send me to rehab, and I said no. Maybe that's a scrapper. Let's see what they got there. Do you know if they're throwing them out?
Let me ask the guy.
Huh?
Let me ask.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. You guys throwing them out? Can I scrap them? Be putting stuff into the back here. I just set this up right here. I probably think I'm some kind of inspector guy or something. You go to a high move-in, move-out place like Jackpot Digger, and you're sure to find scrap. You know, where people are moving in and moving out all the time. And I'm ready to rock and roll here. Maybe I'll just go to the yard as it is. I noticed that the stuff was like, it was brand new. Brand new, never used. Well, you should sell it. Well, it's missing pieces though. Good score going into a neighborhood probably where the other scrappers don't realize that it's garbage day over here, because garbage day is 2 days off still.